Hi, my name is Amit. I'm on a mission of making AI simple. In last episode, we have talked about standardization, which is a technique in feature engineering. In this episode, we are going to talk about another technique of feature transformation called normalization. So there are four types of normalization: min-max scaling, mean normalization, maximum absolute scaling, and robust scaling. What happens in min-max scaling? Suppose this is your data, it's a weight, and what do? You use this formula. If you have to compute a new value, then you take the existing value, subtract the minimum of this whole data, and then divide it by maximum of this data, and then again the minimum of this data. 130 weight becomes as 1, and similarly other values will also be transformed. Once you have transformed the complete column, all the values of this column will be in range of between this 0 and 1. Why? Because you are subtracting the value with the minimum. What can be the lowest value? It could be the minimum itself. X min minus X min. This above thing will become 0, and then the whole thing become 0. So the minimum value can be 0. For the maximum, this value can be the X max. So if you subtract X max minus X min and then divided by the same thing, so you will get 1. So that's how once you transform using min max scaling, the values will be between the range of 0 to 1. You can also visualize with this graphical example where this is your data, height and weight, and once you have done min max scaling, then it will be transformed something like this between the ranges of 0 and 1. Any kind of scaling we do, so first what we do when we are using scikit-learn library, first we do train and test split, then we do a fit on only train data, and then transform on both train and test. We do not fit the scaling model on both training and test data. We only fit it on train data, but when we transform it, then we do it on train and test both.